Welcome to our roundup of the top 5 best washing machines of 2026. The perfect appliances to make laundry faster, easier, and more efficient for your home. Whether you're managing large family loads, washing delicate fabrics, or simply want a reliable machine that saves time and energy, we've handpicked the top washing machines that combine excellent cleaning performance, durability, and convenience. We'll break down each model's key features, including load capacity, wash cycles, energy efficiency, and design, so you can find the ideal washer for your household. Don't forget to check the description box below for the latest prices and deals. Let's explore the top options that will make your laundry routine stress-free and more efficient. Starting with the AliExpress portable washing machine, this compact appliance is perfect for small apartments, dorm rooms, or anyone with limited laundry space. AliExpress is a brand known for practical and efficient portable appliances, and this model lives up to that reputation. It offers a 2.6 kilograms wash capacity with multiple wash cycles, including options for cotton, delicate, and synthetic fabrics. Its lightweight design and intuitive controls make it ideal for quick, everyday laundry, while its small footprint allows it to fit into tight corners or on countertops. Users praise its portability, quiet operation, and ease of setup, though the smaller capacity may not meet the needs of larger households. Overall, this washer is a reliable choice for individuals or couples looking for a compact yet capable laundry solution. Next, the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet top-load washing machine provides a perfect balance of classic design and dependable performance for daily laundry tasks. Kenmore has long been a trusted name in home appliances, and this model demonstrates why. It features a large 4.5 cubic feet capacity, making it ideal for medium to large families. With multiple wash cycles, including heavy-duty, normal, and delicate settings, along with a deep water wash feature, it effectively tackles even the most soiled clothing. The digital display and intuitive controls simplify operation, while the energy-efficient motor helps reduce electricity usage. Users appreciate its strong cleaning performance and consistent results, though some note it may use more water than comparable front-load washers. This Kenmore model is perfect for households that need a durable and efficient washer capable of handling family-sized laundry loads. The Crib Bling washing machine combines modern style with solid performance, catering to households that want functionality without compromising aesthetics. Crib Bling specializes in compact and efficient appliances, making this washer ideal for small to medium-sized homes. With a 3.5 kilograms load capacity, multiple wash programs, and a fast spin cycle to reduce drying time, it delivers convenience and efficiency. The sleek design and modern control panel add a touch of style to any laundry area, while the machine's efficient cleaning ensures clothes come out fresh every time. Users enjoy its simple operation, compact design, and quick cycles, though the smaller capacity may not suit large families. Overall, it's a reliable choice for homeowners who need a versatile washer that fits both space and performance requirements. At number 2, the VCJ portable washing machine is perfect for apartment dwellers, small households, or anyone who requires a lightweight and easy-to-use laundry solution. VCJ has built a reputation for portable washers that offer robust performance despite their compact size. This model features a 2.8 kilograms capacity, multiple wash programs, and a convenient quick wash option for busy schedules. Its portability allows for easy storage or relocation, while the machine's user-friendly interface makes it simple to operate. Users appreciate the combination of portability, convenience, and effective cleaning, though it may struggle with larger or heavily soiled loads. This VCJ washer is best suited for individuals or couples who want a practical, mobile solution for everyday laundry. Finally, the Kenmore 4.5 cubic feet washing machine stands out as a premium choice for full-size home laundry needs. Kenmore's long-standing reputation for durability and performance is evident in this model. With its spacious 4.5 cubic feet capacity, multiple wash cycles, deep water wash, and energy-efficient motor, it handles large family loads effortlessly. The washer is designed for smooth, quiet operation and includes a digital display for easy cycle selection. Users consistently praise its reliability, cleaning efficiency, and robust build quality. While the larger footprint requires adequate laundry space, it offers unmatched performance for those needing a high-capacity, dependable washer. This Kenmore is the top choice for families seeking a powerful, versatile, and long-lasting machine for everyday home use. And that wraps up our top 5 best washing machines of 2026. From the compact and portable HourTech and VCJ models, to the stylish and efficient Crib Bling and the high-performing Kenmore washers, there's a perfect machine for every household and laundry scenario. Which one would you choose for your home? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest reviews. Check the description for current deals and grab the best washing machine to make your laundry routine faster, easier, and more efficient today. Thanks for watching.